Hello students, what is going on? My name is Abdullah Momin from On Target Classes. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, we are going to study about the practical determination of end correction, and we are going to start right now. If this is your first time here and you want to learn physics, especially class 11th and class 12 syllabus with some amazing animation, simulation and PowerPoint presentation, so subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Now the question may ask on this topic like this: what is end correction? Derive the expression for end correction. A, for a pipe closed at one end, and B, for a pipe open at both ends. So in this video, first we are going to see the definition of end correction. Then we will discuss, or we will derive the expression of the formula of end correction when a pipe is closed at one end, and then we will derive the expression of end correction when the pipe is open at both ends. And if you want to learn about this topic in details, I have made a video about it. Just click on the I button and watch that video first and come back here to watch this video. So first we are going to see the definition of end correction. So end correction is the distance between the open end of the pipe and the position of antinode is called end correction. And the formula of end correction is small e is equal to 0.3 into d, and where d is the inner diameter of the pipe. So we have studied this in detail in one of our previous video, that end correction is nothing but the distance between the open end of the pipe and the position of the antinode. Antinode always forms at the open end of the pipe or beyond a certain distance after open end, and the distance of antinode from the open end of the pipe is called as end correction. So this distance is nothing but end correction. And in order to calculate the end correction, the formula is given: E is equal to 0.3 into d. The d is the diameter of this pipe. Now what we are going to study in this topic, we are going to derive the equation or the exact method to determine the end correction using two pipes of the same diameter but of different length, that is small L1 and L2, is as follow. So basically we are going to use two pipes which are having same diameter but their length are different. So first we are going to see a part, that is for a pipe closed at one end. When the pipe is closed at one end, we are going to derive the formula of end correction. So the fundamental frequency N of air column in a pipe which is closed at one end can be written as small n is equal to V by 4L, where small n is the fundamental frequency and V is the velocity of sound wave in an air column, and capital L is the corrected length of an air column. So now we are going to modify this equation, or basically what we are going to do, this 4L will goes another side of the equal sign and it gets multiplied with n. So this equation can be rewritten as V is equal to 4NL. Now V is equal to 4NL is the formula of velocity of sound wave in an air column, or speed of sound wave in an air column. So we are going to use two pipes. For first pipe, V can be written as 4N1L1, and for second pipe V can be written as 4N2L2. So what is N1L1 and what is N2L2? So we are using two pipes here, two different pipes which are having different length but their diameter is same. So we will write L1 and L2 are the corrected length of air column for first and second pipe respectively, and N1 and N2 are the fundamental frequency of the two pipes. Now from this equation, the left side of this equation is V, that is the speed of sound in an air column. So that sound is traveling in air, and if the medium is same, the speed will be constant. Frequency N1 increases, length L1 decreases. Frequency N2 decreases, length L2 increases. If we will change the frequency, L is going to change. If we will increase the frequency, corrected length is going to decrease, but their product 4 and 2L2 will remain same, and that is V. So from these two equation, we can write 4N1L1 is equal to 4N2L2, because the left hand side of the both equation is equal, so right hand side will be also equal. And from this equation, 4 and 4 will get cancelled, and what is remaining now, N1 L1 is equal to N2 L2. Now this L1 is the corrected length of a pipe which is closed at one end, and the formula of corrected length is small l plus E. What is small l? Small l is the length of the pipe and E is the end correction. So this distance is your end correction, the distance between the open end of the pipe and empty node. And when you will add L plus this distance, which is small e, you will get capital L, that is the corrected length. Total length can be written as small l plus E. So this is the formula of corrected length of a pipe which is closed at one end. So the next thing what we are going to do, instead of capital L, L1, we are going to put a small L1 plus E. This distance is your E. So a small l plus E is equal to capital L, or we will say capital L1. So instead of capital L1, we are going to put a small l1 plus E, that is the total distance. So N1, and instead of capital L1, we are going to write a small l1 plus E. Similarly, this is the second pipe and the length is different. So we will say that this length is capital L2, and capital L2 can be written as small l2 plus E. At this point, we will get the end correction. So when you will add small l2 plus small e, the total length will be L2. So instead of L2, in this equation, instead of L2, we are going to put small l2 plus E. That is the corrected length. That is the formula of corrected length. And if you want to learn this in detail, just watch the video by clicking on the I button. Now next, what we are going to do, we are going to multiply this N1 with this bracket and N2 with this bracket. So after multiplying N1 with L1 plus E, what we will get, N1 into L1 plus N1 into E, and after multiplying N2 with this bracket, we will get N2 L2 plus N2 E. Now what we are going to do, we are going to bring this plus N2E into another side of the equal sign, and it becomes minus N2E. This is minus N2E. And this plus N1 L1 goes to another side of the equal sign and it becomes minus L1 N1 L1. So now we will get N1E as it is, N2E comes to this side and it becomes minus N2E equal to N2L2 is written as it is, and from this side of the equal sign plus N1 L1 goes to another side, it will becomes minus N1 L1. So now we are going to simplify this equation. In left hand side, both terms contain E. So we will take E as common and we can write E outside the bracket. In bracket N1 minus N2 is equal to N2L2 minus N1L1. Now E is in multiplication with this bracket. So this bracket term will goes another side of the equal sign and it becomes in division with this term. So now the next step of this equation can be written as E is equal to N2L2 minus N1L1 as it is. This bracketed term comes another side and it becomes in division, that will be N1 minus N2. So this is the formula of end correction when a pipe is closed at one end. We have another formula also. So what we have done here in this equation, we brought this term from one side of the equation to other, right? We have kept N1 E1 as it is. Now this term we will take another side of the equal sign, and this term N2 L2 we will take another side. So now what we are going to do, we will take, so by using this equation, we are going to use this equation and we are going to take plus N2 L2 another side of the equation. So N1 L1 can be written as it is, plus N2 L2 becomes minus N2 L2, and this term plus N1E, when it goes another side of the equal sign, it can be written with minus sign. So minus N1E and N2E can be written as it is. So now we have got N1 L1 minus N2 L2 is equal to N2E minus N1E. Now the term containing E is on right side of the equation, and in both the term E is common, so we will take E outside the bracket, and this equation can be written as N1 L1 minus N2 L2 is equal to E, which is taken common, and in bracket N2 minus N1. Now this bracketed term N2 minus N1 is in multiplication. It goes another side of the equation and it will becomes in division. So now the formula of E can be written as N1 L1 minus N2 L2 and in division N2 minus N1. So now this is the formula of end correction. So we have two formula of end correction. End correction is N2 L2 minus N1 L1 divided by N1 minus N2, or this formula can also be written as N1 L1 minus N2 L2 divided by N2 minus N1. Both formula is for the end correction of a pipe which is closed at one end. So this is the formula of end correction of a pipe which is closed at one end. Now we are going to see the formula of end correction. We are going to derive the formula of end correction for a pipe which is open at both ends. So the fundamental frequency of a pipe which is open at both ends can be written as N is equal to V by 2L, where V is the velocity or speed of sound wave in an air column and capital L is the corrected length of air column. Now V can be written as when this 2L goes another side of the equal sign, it gets multiplied with N. So we can write V is equal to 2NL. Now for first case, for first pipe, since we are going to take two different two pipes which are having different length but their diameter is same. So for first pipe, suppose the fundamental frequency is N1 and L1 is the corrected length. Similarly, for second pipe, the fundamental frequency is N2 and the corrected length of the second pipe is L2, where L1 and L2 are the corrected length of the pipe and N1 and N2 are the fundamental frequency of pipe. So from these two equations, we can write, now look at this diagram. Both pipes are having same diameter but their length is different. So for first pipe, we will take length as L1 and for this length, we will take a small L1 and this is your end correction. The distance between the open end and empty node is your end correction, and we have another open end, so we will get end correction here also. So now we have two end correction because we have two open end. This is also end correction we are getting and this is the end correction we are getting. So the total length of this pipe can be written as small L1 plus E plus E. That can be written as small L1 plus 2E. So here, this first pipe is having a length capital L1 and this length is small L1. The second pipe is having a length of capital L2 and the length is small L2. So for first pipe, we will write capital L1 and small L1, and for second pipe, we will write capital L2 and small L2. So L1, capital L1 and capital L2 are the corrected length of air column for first and second pipe respectively, and N1 and N2 are the fundamental frequency of these two pipes. So from these two equations, that is N1 L1, V is equal to 2N1 L1 and V is equal to 2N2 L2. What is V? V is the velocity of sound wave in an air column. So the medium is same, so the velocity will not change. If you will increase the frequency, the length decreases. If you will decrease the length, the frequency gets increases. But the product 2N1 L1 remains same. So from these two equations, we can write, since left hand side of the both equation are same, so we will write the right hand side is also same. So 2N1 L1 is equal to 2N2 L2. Now these 2 and 2 will get cancelled. These 2 and this 2 is going to cancel each other. And what we will get? We will get N1 L1 is equal to N2 L2. Now the corrected length of the pipe, which is open at both ends, can be rewritten as capital L is equal to small l plus E. So we are going to calculate the capital length, that is the summation of small L1 E plus E. Since the diameter of the both the pipes are same, so E will be same for both the pipe, but the length of the pipes are different, that is small L1 and small L2 is different. So capital L1 can be written as, now we are going to use this formula of capital L in this equation. And instead of capital L1, we will write small L1 plus 2E. And instead of capital L2, we will write small L2 plus 2E. So this equation can be rewritten as small N1 into, instead of capital L1, we are going to write small L1 plus 2E is equal to N2 small l2 plus 2e. Now we are going to open this bracket, or basically we are going to multiply N1 with this bracket. So N1 L1 plus N1 2e, and same we are going to multiply N2 with this bracket, that is N2 L2 plus N2 into 2e. Now what we are going to do, we are going to bring this term, that is plus N2 2e, another side of the equal sign, and when it comes another side of the equal sign, we can write with minus sign. So N1 2e can be written as it is, but plus N2 2e, when it comes another side of the equation, it can be written with minus N2 2e. Similarly, this N2 L2 can be written as it is, but this term N1 L1 comes another side of the equal sign, and it can be written with minus sign. So we are getting N1 2e as it is. This is your N1 2e, but this N2 2e plus N2 2e coming another side of the equal sign, that thence it will become minus N2 2. Similarly, N2 L2 is written as it is, but this N1 L1 comes another side of the equal sign, and it can be written as minus N1 L1. So now we are going to this 2e and 2e common from this equation, and the next step can be written as 2e as a common, N1 minus N2 is equal to N2 L2 minus N1 L1. Now this bracketed term and this 2 is in multiplication with e. When these two goes another side of the equal sign, it can be written in division. So e can be written as N2 L2 minus N1 L1. In division, this is 2 and this 2, and this bracket N1 minus N2 goes another side of the equal sign, and it comes in division. So this is the formula of end correction of a pipe when it is open at both ends. Or we have one another method. What we are going to do, we are going to use this equation, and here we kept N2 L2 and N1 2e as it is. We have kept these term as it is, and we bring another term from another side of this equation. So now what we are going to do, in our equation, we are going to take this N2 L2 another side of the equal sign, and if it comes another side of the equal sign, we can write with minus N2 L2, and this plus N1 2e, when it goes another side of the equation, it can be written as minus N1 2e. N2 2e is written as it is. N1 L1 is written as it is. So now what we are getting here, N1 L1 minus N2 L2 is equal to N2 into 2e minus N1 into 2e. Now 2e and 2e is common in both the terms of the right hand side of this equation. So we will take this outside the bracket, and what we will get, N1 L1 minus N2 L2 as it is. 2e and 2e is taken outside the bracket, and N2 minus N1. Now this 2 and this bracketed term, that is N2 minus N1, is in multiplication with e when it goes another side of the equal sign, we can write this term in division. So now what is the formula of E? E can be written as N1 L1 minus N2 L2 divided by 2 N2 minus N1. This is the another formula of end correction for a pipe which is open at both the ends. So these are the two formula of end correction when the pipe is open at both ends. So this is it, student. If you want to learn numerical of this chapter, you can learn from another channel, that is Physics with Nafis sir. He is making some amazing videos of the numericals of this chapter. The link is given in the description of this video. Just go and check it out.